Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a welcome badge in Roblox Studio. So just load up the Roblox website, click on create here, then find your game, go to creations, find your game for which we want to create a welcome badge, click on it, go all the way down here until you see badges, just click on it and we can create a welcome badge. So for example here, create a badge, we're going to call it welcome. You can add an image or not, it doesn't matter, and then you just click on create badge. Now I'm not going to do that because I already have some welcome badges created, but after we have done this, what we want to do is just click on the badge itself and copy asset ID. Now this is important. Now we will go into the store and we will just search for welcome badge like so. And here we want to get the script. So the first one, welcome, you joined the game badge script. So here you just click on get. And after we have clicked on get, we're going to go into Roblox Studio. Here from the toolbox, we want to click on inventory and we're going to find the welcome badge script that we just got. Double click on it, click on OK. And here you will have the welcome badge. Just double click on it again. It's going to show us the badge ID, and here we paste the asset ID which we copied previously. I'm going to right click, paste, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.